Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Looks like today we're doing number 225. We start with this box. We're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, a 1 here, so 4, 8, and an 8 here, so 1, 4. So that means our 8 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 7, 3. To finish out this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5, a 2 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, so 2, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and a 7. I don't see any help, so 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, and a 5 here. So this is our 2, 5, 4, and that makes this our 5, 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 6, 7. No help here, so 5, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, 9. We've got the 3 and 9 here and a 4 here. So this is our 5. That 3 and 9 makes this our 4. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. To finish out this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 5 here, we can get rid of this 5. So for this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. The 1 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 3 and 9. That 3 makes this our 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. A 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 7, 6, 7, 6. And that 7 makes this our 5. Finish out this row now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing a 5, which makes this our 2 and our 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.